G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the inspection and the oil service light on your VW Amarok. So if we flick the ignition on, you'll see the warnings come up here so that the oil service and the inspection is due. So let's get stuck into resetting them. So what we do is turn the ignition back off, and what we need to do is hold down our odometer button while we flick the ignition back on. So we'll do that now. And you can see the menu has come up here. Do you really want to reset the oil service? We just come back to the steering wheel buttons here and we hit OK. So now our oil service light has been reset, but you can see that our inspection light needs to be reset now. So what we do is turn the ignition back off, come over here and turn the hazard lights on, and then we do the same thing. So I'll just hold down the odometer button, turn the ignition on, and now you can see it's come up with, do you really want to reset the inspection? So we just come back to the steering wheel buttons, hit OK. Now the service has been reset, so we can turn our hazard lights back off, and now we can just go through the menu using the steering wheel buttons to the service data. You can check that it's been reset. So you can see down here the oil service is reset and the inspection. So there you go guys, I hope this video helped you reset your service light in your VW Amarok. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.